So, and she came to us to do her engagement session, and she said, I'm going to get married at Duke Chapel. I need do engagement session. I need to I want to do this and that. So we had a conversation. What was the first thing that we noticed on her? Right? Her eyes. Look how beautiful her eyes are. Okay? So you cannot, if you get a bride like that and don't shoot the close-up of those eyes, you just did a disservice to her. Right? You have an obligation to capture that. But if you look at the picture itself, all right, let's look at the whole picture. That's exactly, I mean, the answer that people her eyes, that's exactly what it was. So I don't have anything else. I have a little bit of the flowers here to frame her a little bit, so she's not lost in space in there, and I'm focusing right on her eye. I could even split, if I wanted to, I could even split that picture in half and have just like one part of her face with those eyes. Would still be gorgeous. All right? So then you're gonna look at me and say, oh, well, not every bride have beautiful eyes like that. You're right, absolutely right. But when you find one, you better take that picture, because she's gonna look at that picture, she's gonna love it. Her mom's gonna look at that picture, she's gonna love it. Her dad, the whole family, everybody's gonna look at the picture and love it, because you're highlighting the best that she has. I mean, I don't want to say the best that she has, but one great feature that she has, which are her eyes. So simplify your scenes.